In this video, we're going to learn how to create tabs on a page. At the top of this page is an example of what the tabs would look like on the page, and then below that is the HTML that created these tabs. From this page, just highlight the content on the page, copy it to your clipboard, and then take that HTML code to a page that you want to actually build. From inside of the Rich Content Editor, make sure that you select the HTML editor tool and paste your code into that box. Go ahead and switch back to the Rich Content Editor. And now you see that we have information in here where you can fill in your content. This is where things get kind of confusing, because if you get rid of the code between these two tabs, then they're going to show up on the same page. So let's go back and take a look at that HTML. Go ahead and select the HTML editor for the page that we want to edit. And you'll notice here, so these are the tabs that were at the top of the page. And then these are them right here. And so then the code that we're looking for, so this is fragment 1. So this is fragment 1 right here, the heading for tab 1. And you see right here where it says /div, that is the end of tab 1. So if you happen to put a return and it is beyond that division line, then the content you think is actually going on tab 1 could end up some other place than where you intended. If you find that you have content in the wrong place, if you're going to go in and edit content using this HTML tools, then you might want to just build in some of the space. And then that way you're not going to take out either this code, because if you take this piece out, then you're going to have content that loads below the page here. So you would have something that shows up like this, even though I want this second tab content to show up here under second tab content. Be very careful about not deleting these /divs. And then you want to make sure that you're not just jumping over this thinking that you're just adding extra space in this area and then actually tapping into the HTML code for the next tab. So those are my suggestions for you for how to edit the code for setting up tabs in a Canvas page.